Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to remove hairs from your nose. Be ready for me removing hairs from my nose using this machine that I bought. So it might be a bit nasty for some people. If you think it would be nasty, so turn away from this video. I'm gonna start the process. So I took this machine out, put some wax in it, already melted before. One of these packages of wax, as you can see, it's hard wax beans. So you just open that, pour it into this, then you put it into the cable, into the plug, and then it turns on, and you just need to wait for it to melt. I put it at 90 degrees C, and the red button means it's turning on, it's melting. So we just need to wait now. So you need some artificial mustache to stick on your mustache, and you need something like this to be able to grab the wax so that you could put it into your nose, which I got it from this that I used before, Nod's nose wax, but I'm now using this other method, using tools from the Nod's nose wax. Have your timer ready for 1 minute. So you better trim your mustache, and you can stick some of these like this, so that it protects you. So you need to pour in this and try to make it like a circle, but it needs to be thick enough and not too thin, not too thick. This size looks okay. So now I use the camera and put it in, hold it like this for around a minute. So I messed around a bit, so now is the right time. You need to do it within a minute, not longer, not shorter. If you do it shorter, it will not set. If you do longer, it will become harder. So now it's ready. Just hold it and pull it very hard, very quickly. 1, 2, 3. You can see some hairs being removed. So repeat this process for the other nose now. Push it hard. Keep it there for another 1 minute. Ready? 1, 2. It can hurt, but you can just see how many hairs I just took out by doing this. It hurts a bit though, but it's totally worth it. So you can do it multiple times to ensure you have removed more hairs in one go. I felt I didn't remove enough from my right nose, so I would do one more time on my right side, and I think I'm done. But you get the gist of how to do it, and I hope this video was useful for you guys, and you can also use the same technique for your ears. Put the wax, keep it at 1 minute, and then pull it, and it's really helpful because sometimes annoying when you got hairs in your nose. I think it helps me breathe better, to be frank. And yeah, once you get used to it, it's not that scary. And hopefully by watching this video you are now less scared of doing it yourself. I hope I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.